Hey there, welcome to TechTube. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about how you can link your Instagram account on your Bigo Live account. So that is not possible on the PC version of the Bigo Live or website version. So what you need to do is get your phone, open your Bigo Live, click on the icon labeled as me at the bottom of the screen, and then go on and click on or tap on settings, which is at the top right section, I guess. It's a gear icon. Just click on it, then go to the connected accounts section. Just tap on it, then just go on and choose Instagram, and we'll follow the prompts to connect a Instagram account to your Bigo Live. And well, that's how you do it. If this content helped you, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.